In this video, we are going to take up one more problem on isometric projection. How to solve this by using SolidEdge software. Draw isometric projection of a hexagonal prism of side of base 40 mm and height 60 mm with a right circular cone of base 40 mm diameter and altitude 50 mm resting on its top such that the axes of both solids are collinear. Collinear means what? Both these axes are kept one above the other. That is the meaning of that. It is on the same line. That is what is called collinear. So to do that, first we will go for the SolidEdge screen, and this is the default A2 size sheet. I want to change it to A4. So to change the sheet, you have to go to sheet 1. Just right click on the mouse button, click on sheet setup. So take the background sheet A2, you set it to A4. Show background, I don't want to show. Then you just say OK. Then you fit it so that it will go to set the display to A4. Then I need to type the text. So for typing the text, so first before actually starting with the drawing, make sure in IntelliSketch endpoint, intersection and horizontal or vertical is enabled and all other options you make it disabled. So since I need to type the text, so go to text. So here change the font name from SolidEdge to Times New Roman and take the font size as 4 and just press enter. So here you click draw isometric projection. Draw isometric projection of a hexagonal prism of side of base 40 mm and height 60 mm with a right circular cone of base 40 mm diameter and altitude 50 mm resting on its top, such that the axes of both solids are collinear. Collinear means it will be on the same line. So one above the other, it is collinear on the same plane. So then you go to move, select this, move it wherever you want and place it. Now first I need to create a prism of 40 mm side. So I will go for a line command, select this, make it 0.05. So take some arbitrary point, take 40, angle is 0, then 40, angle is 60, then take 40, angle is 120, then take 40, angle is 180, then 40, angle is 240, angle is 40, side is 40, angle is 300. So once you do that, now we have the line. You take this end point, okay. Similarly with this end point, now I am creating the boundary first. So because I need to create a rectangle, then only it is possible to create a drawing on the projection can be done on the isometric. So go to fillet between these two, then fillet between these two, then fillet between these two, then fillet this with these two. So this is the actual scale. Now I want to reduce it to isometric scale. So to do that, I will go for a scale. So you select this, take endpoint, make it 0.816. So this is the reduction in scale. Now once you do that, now we have the reduced scale. So this is what first thing what I need to do is iso scale used. So you take 3 mm, okay, take it, then say iso scale used. Now once you do that, now I need to show the dimensions. So to do that, go to dimensioning variables, click on modify, go to general, make it black. Okay, click on text, make it isometric, this one, Times New Roman, font size, go to lines, take it 0.1, okay, and then apply. Now you go for the dimension, so take the distance between this line and this line, you will going to get 16.32, then go to move, select this, go to zoom window. Now you take a distance between this line and this line, 14.86, then distance between these two, okay, then you take the distance between end point of this to end point of this, 28.27, then you take distance between this line and this line, you are going to get 56.53. So this is what I need to do first. Once you do that, so go to line, take some arbitrary point, okay, I want 65.28, angle is 30, then you take 56.53, then angle is 150, then right click, then go to move, enable copy, select these two, then you go to move, take these two and copy it. Now I want 16.32 here, okay, so go to arc by center point, take end point of this, radius is 16.32, sweep angle as 10 degrees, okay, so now you take arc by center point, take end point 16.32, sweep angle as 20 degrees, so you take it on this side, okay, similarly take this point and take 48.96, okay, sweep angle as 20 degrees, no, it is more, you take it 15 degree, then no, you take still further 10 degree, okay, fine, you take this. Now what I want to copy this, so I will just go to zoom window, I will go for move, enable copy, select this, take end point of this to intersection of this to intersection of this, then I want fit, you take 28.27 on this side, okay, 28.27, so go to arc by center point, take end point of this, radius 28.27, sweep angle as 10 degrees, you take this here, then you go to move, select this, take end point to this intersection point, okay, now you complete the sketch, so go to line, take end point to this end point to this end point, similarly you take this end point to this end point to this end point. This is a hexagonal prism, okay, so once you do that, so this is the one surface, that is the bottom surface or top surface, whichever you want you can call. Then I want to take the midpoint of this and I will take the height, so you will go for 60 mm, so go to line, take the midpoint of this, take the height as 60 mm, angle is 90, okay, then you go to scale, because I need to take this, because we are already done with this 0.816, that is the scale factor, okay, reduce it. Now you go for a move command, zoom window, then you go to move, enable copy, you select this entire thing, move this to end point of this to end point of this, okay, so now we have the prism. Now I want to place this. So you go to line command, draw a line from end point of this to end point of this. Then you go to copy, again move, enable copy. You take this end point to this end point to, where is that? This end point, okay, to this end point, and to this end point, to this end point. So we have a square prism, hexagonal prism. Now over which I want to keep this right circular cone of 40 mm diameter. So to do that, so you will go for line, select some arbitrary point, take 40 mm, angle is 30, then 40, angle is 150. Now you go for zoom, then you go to move, enable copy, take this, okay, similarly move, take end point, then you go to midpoint, so go to line, take midpoint of this to midpoint of this, take midpoint of this to midpoint of this, so go to zoom window, then go to line, remove midpoint, take end point to this end point, similarly end point to this end point to this end point. So now you go to R command by center, take end point of this to end point of this to end point of this, again you take end point of this to end point of this to end point, again you take arc, take the intersection to end to this end, then you take intersection to this end to this end, go to fit. Now I want height as 60, so go to line, take intersection, height is 60, angle is 90. Now you go to move command, disable copy, select this entire thing and also this line, move it wherever you want and you keep it, okay. Now you go to zoom window, then you go to tangent, go to line, take endpoint to tangent to this, then you go to endpoint and tangent to this. Once you place this, now you go to scale, select this entire drawing and go to endpoint, make it 0.816, okay, 0.816, okay, enter. Now you go to select this line, make this as the axis line. Now you come down to this, go to fit, then go to move, disable copy, you select this drawing, bring it down, then you go to axis, select this and make this as the axis line, then you go to move, disable copy, select this, take endpoint of this, so to the endpoint of this. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing. Now once you do that, now you just rearrange these drawings. So go to move, select this and you place it, then you select this and you place it here, then you want to take the things. So now you go to split this arc till here, then you split this arc till here. Now you go to shift by holding the shift key, select this line, this and this arc and this arc, make it 0.5, okay. Now you split this arc till here, then you split this arc till here, then you split this arc till here, this one split this till here, go to sketch, select this top surface of the hexagon, okay, make it 0.5, then you go to split this line till here. Now you go to select this and make it 0.5, okay. So this is the surface. Now similarly at the bottom surface also you need to do it. So how to do that? Go to split this line till here, split this line till here, then you split this line till here. Now you go to select this, all these 4, okay. Now you make it 0.5. This is your actual drawing, how you can be able to do it. Now you go for line, take this horizontal line and you just go to extend to next. Then you go to delete this, go to dimension, angle between, select these two, 30 degrees, you select between these two, take 30 degrees. So this is the move, enable copy, select this and you write ISO scale used. So again you go to move, select this entire drawing, okay, and select this, copy to the next position wherein I will say the displacement along y direction is 0. You will going to get this, okay. Now you go to fit. Now which are all the things which you don't want, you remove it. Now you delete this, which are all the things which you don't want. I will delete this line and I will delete this line, delete this, I will delete this, okay, then I don't want this, so similarly I don't want this. I just want the hexagonal prism, okay. You will now have the better clarity of understanding how this object will going to look like. The construction is already there, so I don't want, because this is very clumsy when you want to do this. To represent this, okay, the meaning of collinear is this. This is the one which will tells you the meaning of the collinear, okay. So this is the two axes are collinear. So okay, now I want to move this entire drawing without using the copy command. You will just take this, okay, take this and you move it still inside, okay. Similarly you move this here, then you move this here. So this is how you will be able to create the isometric projection of an hexagonal prism, which is a cone is placed on the hexagonal prism by using the SolidEd software. Thank you.